Marson Technology is established in 1990, based in Taiwan and specialized in designing and manufacturing barcode scanners and RFID readers. Marson has been a leading company in the auto ID and data collection industry with consistent R&D development and quality improvement. We also provide OEM and ODM services with high quality and environment-friendly products for customers.
Marson is one of the famous barcode scanner manufacturers in Taiwan. We have 32 years of experience in barcode scanning solution and are able to provide professional advice and timely support. Marson designs and manufactures a wide range of barcode scanning devices, from scan engine, wearable scanner, handheld scanner, companion scanner, to fixed mount scanner, which can be used in retail, logistics, medical, industrials, and so on.
Marson is certificated by ISO Quality Management System as well as RoHS. Our products are granted with Taiwan Excellence Awards, Good Design Awards, Best Choice Awards, and DNI Awards multiple times since 2014. All our products are certified with CE and FCC certification and also conforms to EU standards, so they are totally safe for users. No matter you are in POS, healthcare, logistics, manufacturing, aviation industry, we would like to help you explore barcode scanning solution. We also provide OEM and ODM services. For any question, please visit our website at marson.com.tw.